Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So we are going to be talking about this webinar that I took about business. I took it last Sunday, so I just want to give you guys some insights on what I've learned and who put on the webinar. So let's get comfortable and let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so we are back with another video, and if you don't know, I'm going to be uploading. I need you guys to get a little closer. Come here. Okay, so if you guys don't know, I'm going to be uploading, I'm going to try to upload every day, but if not, every other day, because I need to edit and all that good stuff. So, okay, I'm really excited because I took this webinar, you guys, and I'm always taking different webinars just to keep up on new ways to market and how to really monetize my Instagram, YouTube. So, girl, I'm always taking webinars, you know, and plus I follow a lot of people on Instagram that I can learn from. So they're always putting on webinars and I'm always taking the classes. But let me tell you, okay, so this webinar that I took was from somebody that I found out about her on Facebook. She was in a Facebook group and these people were dragging her, okay? I've never heard of her, I never followed her, never heard of her or anything. And these people were dragging her. And I don't know what it was necessarily about, but, it was about, I think she was going to put on a webinar and it got canceled and people wanted their money. I don't know. But I was just like, okay, there's like over 200 comments. People are sharing it. It was in a Facebook group. So I was like, who is this person? So I was like, who is this person? So I end up going to her Instagram, end up following her because I was like, her content is kind of cute. She's kind of cute, you know, let me follow her. Okay, the person is, let me just tell you who it is. Okay, her name is Arie. I don't think she pronounced it as like the singer India, right? I'm going to leave it like her Instagram, her stuff like right over here, okay? But anyways, her content was like on point, and I was like, okay, so I noticed that she was doing webinars and stuff, and I'm not gonna lie, I was a little iffy about taking any of her classes because of all of the mess that was on Instagram about her saying that she's gonna do webinars and then not doing them and stuff like that. So I just continued to follow her. I continued to engage with her, like on Instagram. You know, I would you know, just in comments and stuff like that. So overall, like, I thought she was pretty cool. Okay, and so she had a couple webinars that I wish I would have took, but I was just like, I just didn't pay for it and I didn't take it. She did one like on Instagram, how to grow your following. Some other webinars that she did that I ended up not purchasing. But this one that she recently posted like last week, it was $100 or $99, and I was like, let me just pay for it. Something just told me just pay for it. I catch her lives all the time. I'm always on her lives. So I was like, let me just go ahead and pay for this webinar. So I paid for it right away. I'm going to probably leave a screenshot of exactly what was advertised on her webinar. It was pretty much how to get the money, how to flip the money, how to get money for your business, how to just monetize your business altogether, your Instagram and everything. It was actually really, really good. And she went over way more than what she said it was going to be about. It's pretty much overall how to run a successful business she went over, and then some. So she even talked about social media, how to monetize your social media, how to grow your following. She talked about content, how important it is for you to have content. She was saying that it really doesn't matter how many followers you have, as long as you have an influence over that 100 followers that you do have. You can have 100 followers, you can have 1,000 followers, you can have 100,000 followers, but you have to have influence over them. So if you do hair, you need to start doing videos on YouTube, on Instagram, on tutorials on how to do hair before and afters. You know, I don't want to give too much in it. I think she has one coming up this Sunday on the exact same topic. But she was just really breaking down exactly what you need to grow your Instagram, grow your YouTube, grow your business altogether. It was overall really good. Like, her content is not like any other webinars that I have purchased and watched. Let me tell you, I really do invest my time and my money into learning new techniques when it comes to monetizing my social media. So this was like no other. This was more so like your friend or your older sister, like, girl, what are you doing? Like, make that content. Like, post on YouTube right now. Like, she was giving it to you raw and uncut. She wasn't sugarcoating anything. And I feel like sometimes that's what you need.
Sell me the results of your skincare line, and then I'll buy it, because that's what's going to bring the money. Saying you sell, hey, this is my face wash, come and buy it. You know, this is really good shit, girl. Like, I've been using this. No, you have to show people it works. Show somebody with badass skin that use your products and then their skin cleared up. That is how the money comes in. Before and afters are really good. Transformation is really good. And that's why a lot of y'all don't make sales, because all y'all always do is post a final look. People want to see the before. We want to see how the client came in. And that's with anything, before and after. Before y'all invest in weight loss products, y'all see fat people that go to skinny. When y'all go to the doctors to get plastic surgery, you seeing a fat bitch that came in now coming out snatched. They're not just being salespeople to sell you something. They're selling you results in a transformation. When I got my body done, I didn't just go off a doctor coming up to me saying, hey, I'm a doctor, you know, what's good? This is my business card. I went off seeing a doctor's portfolio, seeing fat bitches become snatched. Wide waists to no waist. He sold me a transformation. That is what made me spend $17,000 with him for my body, because of transformation. It wasn't just because he's a doctor. I need y'all to get this shit inside your heads. Okay? So, y'all have to show that, yes, and just like credit repair, you want to show people from bad credit to good credit, living in poverty to now living in big houses because they're able to get big houses. Going from a Nissan Altima, now she's able to get, you know, a fucking, you know, a Benz. These are transformation and results you want to share people, okay? That is what brings the money in. So it's important that you sell a product that works.
Like, you need that person that's like, look, like, you ain't making no money because you ain't putting yourself out there. So don't expect nothing back in return. You know, it was more so that type of vibe. She was like, look, you can have the life that you want if you do this. Now, you need to go ahead and execute it. And if you don't look at anybody else that is making money and doing what they have to do and start hating. Like, you do what you have to do and you could be where you want to be, basically, period. Even though, like, I know business, I ran a very successful health and fitness store online, sometimes you just need that push. Sometimes you just need that motivation to be like, okay, let me snap out of it. And that's what that webinar did for me. Like, but I was so motivated to get up every day. And this is why I'm doing this video. It was like, girl, like, what are you doing? Get up. You have it in you. Do your content. Get yourself out there. Now, if you are totally new to business, you need to be in the webinar. Like, because she goes over exactly what you need to do to run a successful business. And if you already have a business, like me already knowing about business, it's just going to motivate you more to just get out there and push your brand even more. And I really wanted to make this video because there's so many times that people will, you know, on social media, people will get dragged, you know, or people will talk so much stuff about somebody else that is very successful, and don't judge them off of what these other people are saying. Because if I actually would have judged her off of what these people were saying about her, I wouldn't even followed her. I wouldn't be doing no engagement with her on her Instagram. I would never have took this webinar by her, and I would not be making this video right now. That just to show you that people are going to hate regardless of where you're at. If you're down here, if you're up here, if you're making $1,000 a week, a month, or $100,000 a week or a month, people are going to hate. So I just wanted to do a quick review on her webinar that, yeah, it's very much so legit. You should be taking her courses. You should be taking her webinars. You should be following her on Instagram, because you definitely will be motivated just by her story, her lifestyle, you know, just her success. And on Instagram, that's all you should be doing anyways, is following people that you can learn from. And I know that she was a hairstylist. She sells flat irons. She sells hair. I don't know if she still, oh yeah, she still sells hair. But even though we're in the same industry, I don't sell flat irons, but I do sell hair. That doesn't mean I can't cheer her on and take and learn from her. Alright guys, so we came to the part of the video where I want you to leave a comment. So in today's comment, I want you to leave who you follow that you get inspired by. It could be an Instagram influencer, it could be a YouTuber. Leave them in the comments below. I would love to check them out. And I'm going to leave my personal favorite. I'm going to have it in the comments. I'm going to pin it. So go ahead and share with us who is your favorite influencer that gets you going. So leave that in the comments below. Never get to a point where you're just not learning. Continue to grow, continue to learn, and continue to pay for these webinars. Especially at a time like this, a lot of us is out of work. We have a lot of time on our hands to really just work on our business and really do that research on what we need to take our business to the next level, you guys. So sis is doing it. Like, she's really doing her thing, and she's helping other women get on. Like, she ain't holding nothing back, and that's what I can respect about her, regardless of what anybody says. She motivated me, and that's what this channel is about. So if I come across somebody that is motivational, I'm going to drop it to you guys and let you guys know, hey, go take that course, go take that webinar, and get your coin, get your bag, do what you got to do. And I'm not getting paid to do this whatsoever. I paid my own money for this webinar, but I just wanted to let you guys know that make sure you guys are following people that you are getting inspired by. People that you're able to look at and be like, okay, let me go, let me do what I have to do, that you're just really getting motivation from. So I just wanted to come to you guys really quick with that to review. So if you're interested, I'm going to actually have her Instagram linked below. Go check her out. And remember to always continue to learn when it comes to your business. Continue to be the expert in your niche and continue to just be great. So if you like this video, I want you to go ahead and check out this video right here and this video right here. And don't forget to subscribe right here, because I'm going to be throwing out daily, well, almost daily videos to you guys, all about business, mindset, law of attraction, manifestation, and so much more. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you never miss a video. And I will catch you in the next video.